As a toddler, we have heard Baa Baa Black Sheep rhyme umpteen times. Why not try to play it on the keyboard? So today, we are going to learn how to play Baa Baa Black Sheep on the keyboard. So if you want to learn this rhyme, then do watch the video till the end. For those of you who are watching my channel for the first time, I am Shrinika and you are watching Study Hub's YouTube channel. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, let me play the whole song for you and then I'll show you how to play it with the notes. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. So now let me play slowly and teach you how to play it with the notes. So, Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? CC GG AAAA G. Yes sir, 3 bags full. FFEEDDC. 1 for my master, 1 for the dame. CC GG AAAA G. And 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. GFFFEEEEDDC. This was all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you still haven't watched the playlist of my poem recitations and story narration, then you'll get the link of that playlist in the description box below. Thanks for watching.